This video shows a complete batch of heavy-duty slurry pumps, freshly manufactured and ready for delivery. Designed for abrasive and high-solid slurry handling, these pumps are built for demanding industrial applications. Multiple models and sizes are available to meet different flow rates, heads, and operating conditions. Each slurry pump features a robust casing and optimized hydraulic design for stable and efficient operation. High wear-resistant impellers are precisely cast to ensure long service life in severe slurry environments. Wear parts such as liners and volute components are engineered for easy replacement and reduced maintenance cost. The shaft and bearing assembly is designed for high load capacity and reliable continuous operation. All components are assembled under strict quality control to ensure consistent performance and durability. This batch of slurry pumps is prepared for shipment to mining and industrial projects worldwide. As a professional slurry pump manufacturer, we provide reliable solutions and customized support for your application. Factory direct supply, OEM and ODM available. Contact us for technical details and quotations.